friend, someone to give a helping hand when I'm afraid in the night, someone to squeeze me and tell me it's alright. You know I worry, such a love, when I would give all I've got just to have someone believe in me, just to do that, put me back on empty. Oh baby, baby, be my friend. Baby, baby, be my baby, baby, be my friend. Baby, baby, I love you to the end. You make me feel stronger love than I ever knew. Oh, I need someone like you. You give me something so strong and blue. Oh baby, baby, be my friend. Baby, baby, be my baby, baby, be my friend. I will love you to the end. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Soulfingers back with you again with another hopefully classic oldie for you. This one is again from Free, of course, and one of their classic songs, Be My Friend. Okay, so this is my playthrough for the forthcoming lesson, slightly simplified again for a single acoustic guitar arrangement, okay, but keeping hopefully all the interesting chordy bits in there for you. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, and I'm doing it in the original key of B flat minor. Okay, so hopefully you'll join me in a couple of days for the breakdown. Bye for now.